Meaning of discoloration.
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 Discoloration. Discoloration refers to any change in the color of an object or substance that deviates from its normal or original hue. This change can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as exposure to sunlight or heat, chemical reactions, or aging. The result of discoloration is a visual alteration of the appearance of the object or substance, which may appear faded, yellowed, browned, or otherwise altered. Discoloration can occur in a range of materials, from fabrics and plastics to food products and metals. Its effects can be reversible or permanent, depending on the cause and severity of the discoloration.